If you want access to multiple AI models in one place without paying for separate subscriptions, openrouter AI is one of the easiest platforms to start with. In this video, I will show you what openrouter AI, how to create an account, how to use different AI models, and how to generate API keys step by step. What is openrouter AI? OpenRouter AI is a platform that gives you access to many AI models from different companies in one dashboard. And instead of using separate websites for models like GPT, Cloudy, Gemini, DeepSeek, or Mistral, OpenRouter lets you use them from a single account. It's mainly popular among developers, AI tools users, content creators, people building apps or automations. One big advantage is that you can compare models side by side and choose the one that fits your needs and budget. Step 1. Create an account. First, go to openrouter AI website, click sign up and create your account using Google or email. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard. From here, you can explore available AI models and manage your API keys. Step 2. Explore available AI models. OpenRouter supports many AI models from different providers. Some popular ones include GPT models, Cloudy models, Gemini models, DeepSeek, Mistral, Llama models, etc. Each model usually shows pricing, speed, context window, provider information. If you are a beginner, start with cheaper or free models first before using premium ones. This helps you test the platform without spending much money. Step 3. Use the chat interface. OpenRouter also includes a built-in chat interface. You can open a model and start chatting just like ChatGPT. Simply select a model, type your prompt, press enter. For example, you can ask it to write emails, generate code, summarize text, translate content, create blog ideas. Different models may give different results, so testing multiple options is useful. Step 4. Generate an API key. One of the main reasons people use OpenRouter is for API access. To create an API key, open the account menu, go to Keys, click Create Key. Your API key allows other apps or AI tools to connect to OpenRouter. Important note, never share your API key publicly. If someone gets access to it, they may use your balance or API credits. Step 5. Add credits. Some models are free, but many advanced models require credits. To add funds, go to Billing or Credits, choose an amount, add payment details. OpenRouter usually works with pay-as-you-go pricing, meaning you only pay for what you use. That's useful if you do not want another monthly subscription. Step 6. Connect OpenRouter to other apps. Many AI apps support OpenRouter integration. Usually all you need is your API key, the OpenRouter API endpoint, the model name. People commonly connect OpenRouter with coding tools, AI chat apps, automation platforms, writing assistants, custom AI projects, etc. You can also use it with apps like LibreChat, OpenWeb UI, TypingMind, SillyTavern. Pros of OpenRouter AI. Here are some advantages of using OpenRouter. Access to many AI models in one place, easy model comparison, pay-as-you-go pricing, simple API setup, supports both free and premium models. Cons of OpenRouter AI. There are also a few downsides. Some top models can become expensive, beginners may feel overwhelmed by the number of options, response quality depends on the selected provider, free models may have limitations or slower speeds. Who should use OpenRouter? OpenRouter is best for developers, AI enthusiasts, people testing multiple models, users who want flexibility without many subscriptions. If you only use one AI model occasionally, regular ChatGPT or Cloudy subscriptions may be simpler. But if you like experimenting with different models, OpenRouter is very useful. Final verdict. Overall, OpenRouter AI is one of the best platforms for accessing multiple AI models from a single dashboard. It's flexible, beginner-friendly, and especially useful for people building AI workflows or testing different models regularly. If you want an easy way to explore the AI ecosystem without managing many separate accounts, OpenRouter is definitely worth using. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon to get all the new videos like this, share this video to your friend. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.